Okay, so this is our BIM Analytics Carbon tool that we've deployed on the Bridgwater tidal barrier detailed design. This is our landing page, which provides some high-level metrics associated with the detailed design of the scheme and the embodied carbon. We then have some details here around the workflow. So we've modeled in BIM 360 or used BIM 360 to author our models in Revit. We've federated those in Navisworks. There's then we've built attribute data into our models, which Dynamo uses to extract into the Power BI, which informs the dashboards, which I will go into in a second. It's a lot more complicated than that, I think, but as a high-level overview. So we then have a page here on the baseline carbon for the scheme. So this was done based on the information in the carbon calculator that was produced on the outline design for the scheme, breaking it up into the various scheme elements and the materials associated with those. We then have our detailed design carbon dashboard, which is the important one for us, I think, in doing the detailed design. So these colors represent a heat map. So the deeper the color, the more carbon in that particular element of the structure. So we're able to investigate those separately by looking with these drop downs. It splits it up into the carbon in the materials of the abutments, footbridge, the foundations, the overbridge and the towers. The foundations, you can see here the heat map, it is darkest on the piles, which is the area that we attacked the most, I guess, in the detailed design. And the dashboard provides you a bit more information on the various materials making up those elements. And then we have a page to compare the detailed design carbon against the outline design baseline, with the light blue color representing the embodied carbon in the outline design and the dark blue in the detailed design, and then splits that up comparison across the various elements making up the tidal barrier. And this is where we sort of demonstrated our ultimate saving in the embodied carbon in the barrier. There's tons of embodied CO2, so by over 50%, about 53-54% in total.